Sticking together makes bacteria nearly invincible. New treatments are trying to drive them apart. Bacterial life is astonishingly varied. These single-celled organisms come as spheres, rods, spirals and corkscrews. A few are a centimetre long, most are tens of thousands of times smaller. They have been found on Mount Everest, in Antarctica, and deep within Earth's crust. And yet virtually every bacterial species ever found shares one trait: its members do not like living alone. Matthew Fields, a microbiologist at Montana State University, reckons that most of the bacteria living on the planet exist in colonies. Known as biofilms, these slimy aggregates are held together by strands of DNA, proteins, and other molecules recycled from the cells of dead neighbours. Such sociability is ancient. Some of the oldest known evidence of life on Earth are fossilised biofilms known as stromatolites. A group of stromatolites in Western Australia are thought to be 3.5 billion years old. Cohabitation brings big benefits. When biofilms grow large enough, they become hard for hostile parties to penetrate. Some estimates suggest these fortresses can make bacteria up to 1,000 times harder for antibiotics to dislodge. But what is a boon for the bacteria is the bane of many of the humans who must live alongside them. Figures from 2022 suggest that biofilms play a role in 60% of all human bacterial infections. They congregate on joint implants and clog up catheters. They colonize bed rails, light switches and incubators in hospitals. They infect open wounds, and produce the plaque between your teeth. In 2017, Britain's National Biofilm Innovation Centre put the global economic burden of biofilms at over $3.9 trillion. That represents more than just health costs. Biofilms can corrode metals and gunk up infrastructure. Despite the scale of the problem, it has drawn little attention.